Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the provocative test for angle closure glaucoma, the first provocative test for angle closure glaucoma is Mydriatic test. Okay, now, so what does this Mydriatic test mean? So in this Mydriatic test, actually, see, you will give a Mydriatic, that is tropicamide is given. This tropicamide will cause contraction of the radial muscles will occur, and as a result um, there will be mydriasis will occur in the presence of tropicamide. In mydriasis, there is actually dilatation of the pupil will occur in the uh, tropicamide, and when the pupil will actually dilate, okay, if there is any angle closure or if anything like that, so this is the dilatation of pupil will be something like this. So as a result, the pupil is dilated, so this angle becomes narrow. So primary angle closure glaucoma can be manifested on giving the tropicamide, which is a mydriatic.
thank you and thank you for watching.